So here's another one of these worked examples. Again, pause the video, read what it says you have to do, try it yourself, and then obviously watch my video to see if you made any changes or correct or made mistakes. You might have done it really well. This is called legal age. It's all about certain ages. Again, ages are whole numbers in this case. So I'm using the age of 16 and 18 and 99 in fact, or we'll see what happens. So the idea here is get the age of the user using the keyboard. So obviously ask the user to type in an age. So I'm going to ask it to type in enter your age, and I'll type in what age at a time. iAge, good name for a variable, equals the integer version of the input. Obviously I'll need to trap that later on. I'll not trap it just now in case I make any mistakes, but I might want to trap it and say you need to type in a number that's a whole number here. The first bit says if the age is less than 16, so I'm looking for an if command, iAge, and there's different signs. There's greater than, less than, we know equals to, greater than equals to, less than equals to, not equal to, lots and lots of signs. Do you know what, while we're here I'll put the signs in this. I'll just add it into the bottom here and call it signs. So we'll have that one, 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 and it will be, oh, great, I'll try and type it in, less than, greater than, equals, not the same as equals to, let's put equals to in as well. Take equals out, that's more mathematical, that one. These ones are more about decision making. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. There's quite a few little kind of signs in there you'd use with your if commands. So this says if the age is less than 16, so less than 16 means you're 15 or less. Tell the user they can't vote. Okay, print you cannot vote. So you're in Scotland here, you can't vote unless you're 16, so therefore 15 less means you can't vote. Also says else there, there's no else, it just says else. Tell the user they can vote, so print you can vote. There you go, it seems okay. Need to save this somewhere, so I'll go back to my usual location. And I think what I'll do is I'll call this one, what did I call it there? Legal age, that's a good enough name. So I'm going to run this just to test the first part. I'll put in 16, you can vote, and then run it again. Less than 16 would be 15 or less, you cannot vote. So that part works really well. The next part talks about if the age is less than 19 or else. So I'm going to grab all this because it's similar. And then let's just paste that in. So its age is less than 18. Put 18 in there, so that's less than 18. They can't buy booze. You cannot buy booze. There you go. Buy booze. And it says here in the else, tell the user they can buy booze. You can buy booze. But why would you? So that's one with 18 now. So I'm just using these different examples. That takes us to there. All that stuff's done. If the age is greater than 99, okay, let's grab that. So we'll grab the stuff from previous, paste it in, delete gaps, get rid of the gap. So if the age is greater than, it says not less than, greater than 99, it says tell the user that the Queen must have sent them a birthday card. Okay, you must have got a birthday card from the Queen, which is what tends to happen these days. And else it says work out how many more years to wait for a birthday card from the Queen. So that's in the else. So let's do some maths here. Let's go I wait, how long do you need to wait? Equals 100, take away the age to type down. That makes sense, doesn't it? If they're, imagine there's say 70, 100 take away 70 gives you 30, so that would work. And then show the user how many years they have to wait. So you have to wait, string concatenate an integer with some more text, years before you get a birthday card from the Queen. So I'm going to test all this out, see what happens. We know what 16 works, let's try 18. You can vote, you can buy booze, you have to wait 82 years. So run it again. Let's try it with someone who is under 18 but not under 16. So you can vote, but you can't buy a booze, you have to wait 83 years. Makes all sense. And then let's try one where they're 99. You have to wait 1 year, which makes sense. And of course, you're 101 years old. You must take a birthday card from the Queen. Let's try it right on 100 as well. You must have got a birthday card from the Queen, so that's the birthday example for that one as well. Lots of little things to play with in there, lots of interesting concepts and ideas, so don't forget, try these out, do them yourself, make sure you understand what's happening.